Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your environment for Java and Sqlite development. Use JDK 11 for consistent module support and modern APIs. Add the Sqlite JDBC 3.36 0 dependency to your build, Gradle or POM, XML file. Load the JDBC driver with class for name org, Sqlite, JDBC during initialization to ensure proper registration. Use the JDBC URL JDBC Sqlite sample DB to open or create a database file on disk. Keep the JDBC jar on your class path when running jar or launching from IDE. Verify the file path and permissions before proceeding with code. Create a connection using Driver Manager. Get connection JDBC Sqlite sample DB from your application code. Use try with resources blocks to automatically close connection, prepared statement, and result set objects. Prepare SQL statements with prepared statement to bind parameters and avoid SQL injection vulnerabilities. Execute inserts and updates with execute update, and retrieve rows using execute query with result set iteration. Convert result set columns using getString, getInt, or getDouble as appropriate. Commit or rollback transactions explicitly when you disable auto-commit for multiple related statements. For reliability, wrap multiple related statements inside a transaction by calling setAutoCommit false. Then call commit when all operations succeed or rollback on error to maintain data integrity. Use prepared statement batching and execute batch for high-volume inserts to improve throughput. For concurrent access, enable WAL with Pragma Journal mode equals WAL and consider synchronous equals normal for better write performance. Use a lightweight connection pool for multi-threaded servers and schedule offline backups or use the Sqlite Online Backup API for live copies. Log SQL exceptions and include retries for transient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.